This is cinema stick. This is our masala powder. Is my father make it for this one. This one is a pepper. This is ginger, garlic and green chili and olive oil. It's mixed together. It's a make a paste. Chili powder, masala powder, little cumin and big cumin and turmeric powder. Okay, we're going to mix together with all. So I'm going to show you now how to we going to mix it. This all put together. Then little bit yogurt. I'm going to today using for the olive oil. I like to mix it because giving nice flavor. This one giving nice flavor. And 2 egg. Mix well. Then I am going to add a salt bit. How much I need, I just add it. Then I am going to mix with now chicken. You just need to make a cut like this in the chicken, the separate pieces, because it's not make it separate, I mean the pieces. Then it's like a shock in the all the masala. This this one is an Indian style. One day I show you in the Turkish style. Turkish they don't going to using in the yogurt most of the time. Then we keep it like 1 hour or half an hour, depend on your time. I have a time, so I just keep it this one like this with the cover 1 hour. Then I show you how to cook. So guys, I'm going to squeeze the lemon. I forgot to add before because I taken the video, right? That's right. Is the 1 lemon enough for this whole chicken? This one after 1 hour is marinade ready, so I just going to fix to the oven. But before I want to make the preheat oven like 10 minutes. Yeah, double is good. Just make it the oven preheat. Almost 1 hour.
Ini pasti kira ya.